Right then. Right then. Right then. Right then. Can't do it. Right then. Back on Yeti, and today we're over at Fab Shop. So since the last time, or the last video, we've done a few more bits. Did record them, so we'll put them in now.
Ready to bang wheels on?
Prop tight.
Sender.
Prop
tight. Did you tighten it up?
No.
Did you not? Seriously?
No.
Who's tightening that up then?
Us.
Since the first video, we did have a few issues with the clutch and flywheel that we'd put in. Obviously, we're a used kit. The stack height was about 5mm out to what it should be. So as soon as we went out for a road test, it just carried on slipping. We ended up having to get back into the workshop. We put a brand new LUK clutch and flywheel in. Whilst on the ramp, we also fitted the steel sump guard. So that's basically from the subframe to the radiator. That's all covered now. 3mm steel, should be pretty good on the trails. So today we're over in the Fab Shop. We're hoping to get some decent recovery points on it. At the minute, we've just got standard toe hook. Obviously, they're not ideal. Darkside Overland stickers on. Got some traction boards. We've got these, which are suction mounts. We're hoping to get them on the back windows and make some brackets for the traction boards. And then basically as recovery points, we've got this, which we're hoping to fit a receiver hitch on the front somewhere, underneath the crash bar, and reinforce all that. And then these, although they look the same as the rear one, these are actually Touareg towing points, and these, from what we've seen online, are a lot stronger than the majority of other VAG models. So probably can't even hear half it because of Mark welding it background. So we're going to get bumpers ripped off, and then we'll have a look at crash bars and see what we can do. Quick update, rear bumpers off, rear crash bars off.
Wow, that's just gonna blaze it off.
Front crash bars just coming off. So Rob's been busy with the crash part. We've got a bit of box section going from side to side. Some tabs, not the prettiest of welds, but Rob's not a welder. As long as it holds together, we should be fine. And then we've got the other bits missing. We've got these for the receiver hitch, which will go something like that. While we're at it, George has cut the front grille out ready. It'll sit somewhere around here. And then I've just made these brackets onto the suction mounts, which should hopefully hold the traction boards on. So keep plugging away. See you soon. So we've just got it back on to mock up, and I think fitment's pretty good. I don't think we could get any closer than that. Should work pretty well. Wrap it up.
Ready for a winch.
Rear crash bar's done, welded on the TDIs both sides, so we can bridge them together if we get stuck. So I need to get that back on. I'm gonna have to drill that one out because that one snapped. Not ideal. And then that one will go in the original hole, and we just need to cut an hole the other side. Little touches, changed out bolts 10.9s just in case. Let's get the bumper on. So it's 10 o'clock, we're just about done. Oh, just told me that, the lucky bit. Let's have a look what we've done. So we've got two rear toe eyes. Like I said before, they're the Touareg ones with the soft shackles. Hopefully they should be sufficient enough. Ta-da! And that's one of the reasons why I wanted a receiver hitch on the front rather than D-shackles or anything like that. Scott and Right at this way, and when they go off-roading, completely removable, easy as that, goes in both with your car. It just allows us to have a winch on the front, or one of them, and then you can just put your D-link on or a soft shackle or something like that. So yeah, so it's Thursday night. Saturday morning I'm heading to Home Firth with Rye, and Mark's borrowing Scott's Touareg, the V6, and we're going to do a few local lanes and yeah, see how it holds up. See you then.